step into the 2013 Chevrolet Captiva Sport Fleet Lieutenant. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: front-wheel drive, bucket seats, AC, passenger airbag, automatic headlights, power steering, MP3 player, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and rear head airbag. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.